All right, Wednesday morning, folks, we're seeing these markets trade higher into the open ahead of the Federal Reserve and their policy decision due out today at 2 o'clock Eastern time. Again, the question is, what changes are they going to make, if any, to the quantitative easing program? Are they going to print more money? What can they do to help stimulate this economy in the midst of a pandemic? All eyes will be on that report, 2 o'clock Eastern time today, and any resulting volatility that could come as a result. That said, you look at these markets and where's the volatility right now? It is in FX, and it's in that British pound, now up above 1.35 on hopes around this Brexit deal. Seeing big moves in the sterling over the past couple of days, seeing those moves once again this morning. Now, the most important news and what everybody needs to dial into today is you need to register for the Nadex Day Trading Bootcamp taking place tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern. 3 hours, free. Guy Adami from CNBC's Fast Money, Dan Cook from Nadex, Todd Rich from Nadex. 3 hours of education to help prepare you for the new year and how you can day trade these Nadex markets. Go to nadex.com, click on learning. You'll find the registration link right there. Again, free to everyone. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and all the social media channels that we have, because that's where we put this information out. And over the holidays, we're going to have a slew of educational content coming your way for you to consume. Again, free, whether it's through YouTube or any of the other mediums. If you follow us, you'll get those updates as soon as they happen. Everybody have a good one. Let's go out there. Let's get after it. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.